Bolt Action Miniatures Warlord Games Band of Brothers Bolt Action Starter Set 2 36 PCS 28mm miniatures and 1 tank model kit. Bolt Action US Army Miniature Wargaming WW2 model kits by Wargames delivered. Your entry point to Bolt Action, a complete starter set that includes 24 new plastic US Airborne, 12 plastic German Grenadiers, plastic SDKFC 251/10 Osti. .7 pack half-track, plastic ruined farmhouse, a 5 softback Bolt Action 2 rules book, quick start guide, quick reference sheet, 12 plastic pin markers, plastic templates and tokens, construction diagrams, 10 6-sided dice, and 10 order dice. Build your U.S. and German armies to recreate epic battles. In July 1942, at Camp Decoy, Georgia, Easy Company was formed. Little did they know that they were about to enter the history books several times over, as they were months away from dropping into the heart of war. The Army Painter Wargames delivered starter miniature paint sets, acrylic model paints for plastic models, miniature painting kit, 18 acrylic paints for models, 2 hobby paint brushes, miniature primer, quick shade washes, mixing bowls and bottles. Are you a beginner looking to paint some miniature figures for some tabletop, 40K, or D&D games? Instead of making fun or making it difficult for the beginner, we put together a set that helps you get started with all the colors you need, without breaking the bank. If you are looking to get your kids into the hobby in a low-cost way, don't waste any more time looking around. We put together the perfect set for them with primary colors and other main colors you need in the painting hobby. Our paints use dropper bottles to prevent spilling. Pots spill, dropper bottles don't. Once you go dropper, you never go back. Cats are known to knock over pots and making a mess. Your cat can now paint with you.